Introducing the Corsair CARBIDE 275 Revolutions Mid-Tower Gaming Case, the perfect blend of style and functionality for your gaming needs. This premium quality case is designed to provide a superior gaming experience with its robust construction, optimized airflow, and ample space for customization. The 275 Revolutions features a sleek tempered glass side panel that showcases your build and adds a touch of elegance to your gaming setup. The case is engineered with a minimalist design that ensures maximum compatibility with your components and allows for easy cable management. The advanced ventilation system of the 275 Revolutions delivers optimal cooling performance and ensures the longevity of your components. With up to 6 fan mounts and room for up to a 360mm radiator, this case can accommodate high-performance cooling solutions. The Corsair CARBIDE 275 Revolutions Mid-Tower Gaming Case features a minimalist design with a tempered glass side panel that lets you showcase your build and style. The case is made of steel with a black finish that gives it a sleek and professional look. The case has enough space to accommodate up to 6 120mm. The Corsair CARBIDE 275 Revolutions Mid-Tower Gaming Case is a high-performance computer case designed to enhance your gaming experience. Built to accommodate up to ATX motherboards, this mid-tower case is the perfect addition to your gaming setup. The Cooler MasterBox M53OP ATX Mid-Tower with 3 tempered glass panel is a premium PC case that takes your gaming setup to the next level. Combining sleek aesthetics with powerful performance, this mid-tower case is designed to accommodate the latest gaming hardware and peripherals. Crafted with 3 tempered glass panels, the Cooler MasterBox M53OP offers an ultra-modern look that showcases your system's components and style. The front panel features a unique diamond-cut design that adds a touch of elegance to your gaming rig. The tempered glass panels are also highly. The case is designed to provide ample space for your gaming hardware, with support for up. The Cooler MasterBox M53OP ATX Mid-Tower with 3 tempered glass panel is a high-quality computer case that is designed to provide you with a sleek, modern look while also delivering top-notch performance. The case features a sturdy steel frame that is reinforced with tempered glass, maki. The M53OP ATX Mid-Tower measures 489mm x 229mm x 469mm and weighs 8.6 kilograms. It is compatible with ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ATX motherboards, making it a versatile option for a range of different builds. The case can accommodate up to 3 120mm or to 140mm fans in the front, to 120. The Lian V3000 Plus Full Tower Multi-Mode PC case is a top-of-the-line computer case that is designed for gamers, content creators, and professionals who demand the best. With its sleek and modern design, this case is perfect for any high-end build. This PC case features a premium aluminum construction that is both sturdy and stylish. It comes with multiple tempered glass panels that allow you to show off your build, and the adjustable RGB lighting system lets you customize the look to your liking. The Lian V3000 Plus Full Tower Multi-Mode PC case is also incredibly versatile. It can be configured in multiple modes, including a standard layout, an inverted layout, and a 90-degree rotated layout. This flexibility. The Lian V3000 Plus Full Tower Multi-Mode PC case is a must-have for any serious PC enthusiast. This top-of-the-line case is designed to provide the ultimate in performance, flexibility, and style. Constructed from high-quality aluminum and tempered glass, this full tower case features a sleek, modern design that will complement any build. The V3000 Plus also includes a range of features that make it an ideal choice for custom PC builds, including fully customizable RGB lighting, a removable Introducing the Thermaltake Level 20 MT Motherboard Sync ARGB Mid-Tower Gaming Computer Case, the perfect solution for gamers and professionals alike. With its sleek and stylish design, this computer case offers both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Featuring a Motherboard Sync ARG lighting system, you can easily customize the lighting to match your setup and gaming preferences. Additionally, this gaming computer case has been designed to accommodate the latest graphics cards and cooling systems, allowing you to push your system to its limits. Crafted from high-quality materials, The Thermaltake Level 20MT Motherboard Sync ARGB ATX Mid-Tower Gaming Computer Case offers durability and longevity. The case also includes multiple dust filters, ensuring a sleek and stylish gaming case that is designed to house high-performance components and offer powerful cooling. The Level 20MT is an ideal choice for gamers and enthusiasts who demand the best in their gaming setup. The Level 20MT features a robust and durable construction with a steel frame and tempered glass side panels that showcase your hardware in all its glory. The case is also equipped with fully customizable ARG lighting on the front panel and the fans, which can be synchronized with your motherboard. The Thermaltake Level 20MT Motherboard Sync ARGB ATX Mid-Tower Gaming Computer Case is the perfect choice for any serious gamer or PC enthusiast. Featuring a sleek, modern design, this mid-tower case is constructed from high-quality materials that provide excellent durability and reliability. The case features a built-in RGB lighting system that can be synced with your motherboard for a truly immersive gaming experience. With support for up to 6 120mm fans, this case provides excellent cooling performance, even under heavy loads. The included tempered glass side panel allows you to Introducing the Corsair iCUE 4000X RGB Mid-Tower ATX PC case. The perfect combination of style and substance. This sleek and stylish case is designed to house the most powerful gaming rigs, with ample space to accommodate high-performance components. The Corsair iCUE 4000X RGB Mid-Tower ATX PC case boasts a tempered glass side panel that puts your system's internals on full display, while also keeping them secure and protected. The front panel is adorned with customizable RGB lighting that can be controlled using Corsair's iCUE software, allowing
the ultimate case for tech enthusiasts looking for a perfect blend of design, functionality, and customization. With its sleek, minimalist design and tempered glass side panel, this case offers a stunning visual display of your system's components.
Featuring a spacious interior, the Corsair iCUE 4000X RGB has enough room for a full ATX motherboard, multiple graphics cards, and plenty of storage drives. The case comes with 3 included 120mm Corsair AirGuide RGB fans, which provide exceptional cooling and a striking RGB lighting effect. The Corsair iCUE 4000X RGB Mid-Tower ATX PC case comes with 3 120mm Corsair sRGB Elite fans pre-installed, providing efficient cooling and a stunning visual effect with its customizable RGB lighting. The case also has ample space for customizable RGB lighting that can be controlled using Corsair's iCUE software, allowing you to choose from a wide range of colors and effects to match your setup's aesthetic. The case's versatile design allows for efficient cable management, with ample